It's Saturday afternoon and I've come up to have a look at my honeybees. The reason for this is I read an article that was saying because of the warmer weather we all had larger colonies going into the autumn and winter months, and therefore they might have eaten more food than we would normally expect. Also, I was thinking about that and I thought because of the warmer weather, i.e. up until about 2 weeks ago, the bees were still flying and therefore using a lot of energy and possibly needing, again, more food than they would normally. So I've come up here to heft the hive to see if they need any more food. Well, the two to the right definitely don't at the moment. That one is, the one to the left is a possibility, but it's fine for another couple of weeks, absolutely fine, no doubt about that. But I will come up in a couple of weeks and give them all some fondant icing to take them through the harsher weather that could be on our way. The bees are not greedy. They won't take it unless they need it. If they're hungry, they'll use it. If they're not, they won't. But I kind of err on the side of better safe than sorry. Feeding them something I would normally do for sure in January, as I say, whether they need it or not, I just give them the option. But maybe a month early is the right thing to do with the warmer weather that we've been having. So here we go. I'm just going to lift this one up. And yeah, this one I would say, like that one, is just a little bit light, so possibly, actually, I'm not going to wait a couple of weeks for these two. I will come and give them some food sooner rather than later. It's rather sweet actually, because when I came up here, absolute silence. Now I can hear the rather gentle buzzing of the bees inside as I disturb them. Like that scene in, is it Toy Story, when they move the machine with the grabbers and they'll go, oh, that's what they've just done. Anyway, I was doing something in my office and I noticed a gorgeous woodpecker on the tree. I think it's called a red spot, I'm not sure, I'm not a twitcher. And I thought, oh, how lovely, a woodpecker. And then I thought, oh my goodness, my bees. They love a beehive, a woodpecker. But then I remembered, mine are covered in this lovely outer casing, so they're not going to have a go at that. But two things then, just to say, in case you haven't checked the bees, check them for food, and if they're hungry or if it's light, might I say, give them fondant icing, and check, if you haven't got an outer casing on your hives, check for woodpeckers, because it's at this time of year that they start burrowing into the beehives. So there we go. Have a lovely weekend.